So I heard it was National Cat Day, and it's so crazy because I never grew up with cats. Like, I grew into a cat lover. When I got with my husband, he had a cat, and I just fell in love with him. Rest in peace, Biggie. We love you so much. But it's so crazy because now I'm a cat lady. Like, I love my cat so much. And this one is so clingy. He's so clingy. But it's National Cat Day, and I don't know what I would do without my cats. I love my cats so much. It's my other cat, Tigger. Say hi. He's not as clingy. He likes his alone time. He likes his me time. It's okay. But we love you, Tiggs. This clingy thing, he is so clingy. Come. Come. See, he is so clingy. Hi, Smokey. Hi. Hello. My babies. Hello. Hey. There you go. Treats for the kitties.